we've come back to the nature preserve and we're going to go look for some butterflies. And if we find any other wildlife, we'll consider it a bonus. Hopefully we don't get wet. The skies look kind of ominous this morning. Found one monarch butterfly and it flew off before we had a chance. But things are still wet this morning, heavy dew and rains from yesterday. So, we'll keep trying. We needed to get up and out early this morning. The unfortunate part of renting an apartment is you have to deal with sucky neighbors. I have asthma really bad, and the neighbors like to fog the place with cigarette and marijuana smoke and vaping. And I can tell you, it's not good for me or my son because we both have asthma. And mine's very highly reactive to the smoke in the air. So as soon as we woke up, we had to evacuate. Well, it was just raining a bit, so I don't think we'll see too many butterflies. We'll probably have to hunker down somewhere and wait for their wings to dry out. Oh, I got a boy with a smile on his face. I guess it's frog time.
Yes! Welcome to the Frog Corner with today's frog.
What kind of frog we got today?
A leopard.
Oh.
He's also got some blue to him. Notice?
A little bit of blue, but he's very green.
I know, right? He's beautiful. I'm so glad I caught him.
Good morning, Froggy.
What shall we call this one? Boop, boop, boop.
Beautiful?
I guess. Oh, beautiful. It's an icy. Whoa! He just peed. He's a bit more violent when he pees. You know that, right?
Yeah, I see that.
He just goes pong. Yeah, you peeing on me, buddy? Oof, 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 wait.
Let me go.
This is a good opportunity to look at his belly. That perfectly white belly. Ooh! You never escape.
You see, trying to play dead. Oh, you just squished more pee out of him.
I'm just trying to get him into my hands better, but it's not working out. Which means he's just a pee. Oh, he's grabbed a hold of my finger. Look at that. He's got it.
It probably makes him feel more secure.
Yeah, I'll let him on my finger.
Are you gonna put that one back where you found him and catch another?
Okay, yeah, I will.
Frog number 1 of today.
Here? Oh yeah, he's ready. He's sensed already. But first I'm gonna do a little bit of it.
Are you gonna let Beautiful go?
Yep. Ready?
Set.
3.
Go.
Doing.
Gone.
Yeah, like 2 hops and he's gone. So I did usually.
Well, let's go find some butterflies or deer or ducks, something.
The frogs, more of them.
Well, frog number 3.
What's that? Oh, it's a duck.
Where?
It flew by us already. It's up in that tree line.
Oh. I can hear them, but I'm not seeing them. Pretty morning, though.
Of course you're not seeing them. Because they're too quick for you.
Good afternoon. We've been out exploring at one of the local nature preserves. So far, we've found some monarch butterflies to photograph, and I saw a flock of cedar waxwings playing in the leaves that are, or playing in the trees with leaves that are turning colors already. It's only the 1st of September, though it might be December before you see this. And I photographed a few mushrooms, playing a little bit of macro. Not sure what we'll find today, but I'll be sure to share some pictures with you. Can't go out without finding a few frogs, right?
Yeah. This is number 5.
I was just going through some footage, and it looks like I forgot to film a good section of one of my videos. And I can only suspect that's because of an embarrassing predicament I found myself in. It was, I was squatting down to photograph some mushrooms. My husband and my son had gone up and we took different trails. And I found myself all of a sudden feeling the urge to have to answer the call of nature, I guess you could say. Only, I didn't have a shovel with me. And there was no outhouse at this preserve or anything like that, so it's not like I could have tried to run someplace. So that's really embarrassing. But so I went off trail, made sure to check my bearings, hillside versus swamp, don't get too close to the swamp area. Tried to look for the biggest trees I could find, or where there was some fall and logs and stuff, and grabbed a stick and dug what I could. And along the way, getting to my spot, I saw more mushrooms, different kinds of mushrooms. I apologize for the traffic. Are you done yet? Anyways, so took the stick, poked everything in a hole and under logs and whatever. Got myself cleaned up as best I can. And then I see these mushrooms. So I sit down and I start photographing mushrooms. And then I get back up. I was like, I better go find the trail. So I get almost back to the trail. And all of a sudden, I'm breaking into the sweats. I don't feel good. I'm getting dizzy, and I realize, rush back to the log. do the whole process all over again. This happened 3 times. There was no time to be filming anything. No chance. I was really not feeling good. Then each time I tried to wander off back to the trail, I kind of went a different direction and was always getting distracted. So I eventually, well, I'll show you the pictures. And then eventually I did find some puffballs, which was really cool. They were pure white. They were at the stage where I think if you are into eating them that you could. And I'm going to wind this up because I hear emergency vehicles coming through. So we'll catch you later. Hope you enjoyed the video and the photos. Bye.